Hello, and welcome to the Teacher Baking Championship. On my left, we have the Humanities teachers. And on the right, we have some STEM teachers. Today, they will be competing to make cookies from scratch. They will have 35 minutes to do so. However, the district has informed us that they want teachers to be closer together nowadays, which is why teachers will be physically tied to each other. And on my go, I will start the timer, and you guys will have 35 minutes to make cookies. In 3, 2, 1, go!
Ah, they stole all our stuff back.
Team Math, it sounds like you guys have just been sabotaged. Oh.
Panko cookies are the best.
They are already off to the races. Team Humanities is struggling trying to find their silverware. Will Team Math be able to face the challenge and mathematically think their way through the cookies? Mrs. Long, how long have you been baking?
I can't answer these questions right now.
Mr. Schwent, what would you say is your experience cooking inside of the school? Mr. Schwent. Mr. Schwent. Team Humanities, what are you guys working on right now?
We're struggling with our arms.
Got it.
Okay.
What?
A little. We need
What are you guys working on right now?
cookies.
Cookies?
Yeah. We're
What about the cookies?
They're going to be delicious.
I'm trying to understand the theme, characters.
Don't put very much of that salt.
No, we don't need much. We need a small thing. A small thing. How much is this?
No, if you could be any ice cream flavor, what ice cream flavor would you be?
Mint chocolate chip.
I don't like ice cream.
He doesn't like ice cream. Now, Team Math, how much would you say that the law of science has helped you with your baking today?
It's actually more a law of cosine problem, really.
Oh, really? Now, you see, if we actually were to take the angle of the butter to the floor, we would see that Mr. Schwent made a huge mess. Now, Dr. Daniel Glossenger, can I call you Daniel?
Oh, for sure.
Great, Dan.
Yeah.
Let's see, who would you say your biggest baking inspiration is?
Emerald Lagasse. Bam!
Now, which one of you two is the Julia child in this dynamic duo?
Definitely Schwent. He is a true baker.
You know your way around a toaster, too?
Toaster was tampered with.
By the Humanities team, let's find out.
We need a taste tester.
A taste tester.
Just let us know
Tell us what that tastes
what
like.
we still need to do.
Does that taste like garbage?
It's a little bit coarse, but I like the overall taste.
Okay, so it's.
What kind of cookie are you guys trying to make? Sounds like they don't know what kind of cookie they're trying to make.
We're gonna make delicious cookies.
Chefs, this is your 25-minute warning.
Dr. Compton, if I eat this before cooking it and it has eggs
It's not
in it,
safe, that's
does
flour and
that mean
eggs.
I have salmonella?
They already fed me the dough. Now, it seems like we have a little bit of embellishments here. Can you tell me more about that, Mrs. Long?
We put a little holiday glitz in there with some crushed peppermint.
We bake with love, so we went by feel.
They bake with love. Heartwarming story. Are you and Dr. Glossenger going to get a divorce?
Yeah, I don't know about the cooking.
Forever. That's us.
Oh.
Aww. Oh, tumble. Is that London Bridge? No, it's just
fine.
a mixing
It's
bowl.
Fine. We are fine.
you
Everything's
tell them
fine.
this?
True story, the chocolate chip cookie was invented by Ruth Graves Wakefield in 1938 at the Toll House Inn, which was famously located just outside of Boston. Within the next 2 or 3 years, this is 100% true, Hamilton. Many people who were getting care packages from home, World War II, they started receiving chocolate chip cookies in the mail from their friends in Massachusetts, and it spread nationally. That's actually where the chocolate chip cookie came from. Boom, 1938.
I challenge them to do
Humanities.
that. Get some history
Yeah,
from
they
those
had no
number
idea when the chocolate
heads.
chip cookie was invented.
And did that affect your choice to use vegan marshmallows instead of normal ones?
We want to be health conscious and think of all of the people that might eat our cookies, vegan and not vegan.
And
And I
all
don't
the
think it's going to matter
creatures.
that they also have eggs in them as long as they have vegan marshmallows.
Team Math, how long are you planning to put your cookies in the oven for?
9 minutes.
And how many seconds is that?
9 times 60, 540.
Correct. They have their jobs for a reason.
Dr. Compton told us this was not safe. Does not taste safe.
How are you planning to present your cookies to the judges?
Our big twist here, our secret ingredient, we're actually going to try to surprise the judges with some ice cream sandwiches with our cookies. So we're going to
All the way from the mat to bar.
we're going to put a nice layer of ice cream in between 2 cookies to make a beautiful little holiday sandwich.
This is very avant-garde. Would you consider this modern art?
No, it's contemporary art. Yeah. I mean, I understand you probably, it's okay. It's all right. This level of cooking only occurs at the best and finest of restaurants, so it's okay.
Who is your favorite mathematician of all time?
Oh gosh, that's really hard. Probably Archimedes.
And who is your second favorite mathematician of all time, Mr. Schwent?
Probably Hypatia.
You're feeling feminist today?
I think her contributions to math are undeniably great.
So she's only the second best to you and not the first best?
She's my first best, but second best between us because Miss Long's opinion counts more than mine.
Got it. Good save, Mr. Schwent. We're coming down to the wire. Have you ever used an oven before?
Guy, turn it off! How do we turn it on? 400.
I'll take that as a no. 1 minute remaining to get your cookies onto a plate for the judges.
Well, I'm Dr. Compton. I am the culinary teacher here. I'm also super excited because I never get to judge the competitions.
I'm Miss Cearley, and I think I'm qualified for this because I have a lot of experience in eating mystery food prepared by students.
I'm Mr. McCord. I am qualified because I eat everything I can. Anytime I go on vacation, half of that vacation is about eating the food in the local spot.
My name is JiaLi. I am qualified to judge this competition because my sister is producing this video and nepotism is a great thing.
Wow.
Okay.
That's really pretty.
I like the sprinkles. It's a nice festive touch.
Yeah.
We said
That's
we
what we're
wanted
talking
festivity.
We did.
This is giving festive.
I'm really intrigued by the plating of this one.
Yes.
Yes.
Presentation.
And the milk. The milk
And the
is a
milk.
nice
The milk's
touch.
a nice touch.
I'm perplexed by the milk and the oranges together.
Agreed.
But
I say we start with these.
It's got the crunch.
Mhm.
Like there's a little
Mhm.
crunch to it. I'm enjoying that one.
a hint of mint.
There is a little
A hint of mint. A little bit of crunch in the ice cream too.
I do appreciate the ice cream. It's like a little cooling sensation.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's like
It's like
you
the
took
milk.
and you froze it.
And
Exactly.
you froze it. It's exactly
I
like
have ice
that.
cream in my hair
Perfect.
now. I'm not gonna lie, this is
Did I get
really
it?
good. Like,
This is not bad, you know? Oh.
I like
Yeah,
the chocolate drizzle.
I'm
I
going
think
back
gives
for a
it a nice
second bite.
flavor.
I
feel
want
like
more ice cream. It has melted too much.
True.
Like I need that.
I don't know if we can blame the competitors though.
No,
like,
we can't.
No,
Well,
we can't. You can't fault
It's a
yourself.
timing thing,
But
but
they knew the time constraints.
that's true.
This was a risk.
There's something missing, or maybe like a little salt on top of that. Would have
I
been
think
like,
I think a
True.
little bit of salt. I
True.
think
Put it
it
over the
hits
edge.
a lot of what I want, but a little bit of salt to balance out.
That much.
I'm pleasantly surprised.
Mr. Schwent's going for redemption here.
Yeah, you got to show us you do actually know how to use something that heats
Right.
food up.
Yes.
Right?
Yeah.
All right, now for our
This is an
board.
adventure.
Okay.
These
one's-
marshmallows?
This is very crumbly.
I believe it is marshmallow.
Okay, I think I'm gonna like that.
I think I'm gonna dunk it.
Ooh, it
The
smells,
smell
it
of that
smells
is
citrusy,
amazing.
but there's like chocolate in it.
So is it a twist on a chocolate chip cookie? Is that what we have here?
I don't know if they had a plan.
This is much more chaotic than the other one.
In terms of texture, it has a nice crispy edge, but it's more cakey in
Yeah.
the middle than the other cookie.
Yep.
I was gonna say the same thing. It
Yeah.
seems like there's a
True.
lack of direction.
I know, but for
But it
some
doesn't
reason
mean that I can stop eating it.
right.
Okay.
Like it doesn't work. But
Did anyone?
That's
I'm
very
not a
true.
baker, but I've heard that in baking it matters a lot to have your measurements precise.
It's all about chemical reactions here, science.
Maybe that's why the humanities teachers just couldn't pull it through. They didn't have that science background.
Precision.
Have a science and
Oh,
precision background.
maybe.
I would agree.
Could
Yeah.
be.
All right, judges. After your deliberations, do we think we have a decision here?
I think we do.
I think we do.
Agreed.
After a very close bout and some intense deliberations, we have our winners. And the winners of the first annual Clayton STEM versus Humanities Baking Challenge is Team STEM.
again at Clayton.